The 2024 Roller Team Livingstone 2 Sport is making waves in the campervan world with a floor plan that balances comfort, functionality, and smart space utilization. Built on the reliable Fiat Ducato chassis, this compact camper is designed for both city driving and off-grid adventures. Its streamlined exterior gives it a modern yet rugged appeal, making it a great option for those who want a van that is both stylish and practical. But the real magic happens inside, where the Livingstone 2 Sport maximizes every inch of space to create a comfortable living experience without compromise. Upon stepping inside, it's easy to see why this layout stands out. The front lounge area is thoughtfully designed with swiveling cab seats that turn to face the dinette, creating a cozy space for meals, work, or relaxation. A foldable table adds to the versatility, allowing for easy movement when not in use. Overhead storage compartments provide plenty of space for keeping essentials organized, ensuring that everything has its place. Despite its compact size, the Livingstone 2 Sport feels surprisingly open, thanks to clever design choices that prevent the interior from feeling cramped. The kitchen area is equally impressive. Equipped with a 2-burner gas stove, a sink, and a reasonably sized fridge, it offers everything needed to prepare meals on the road. Roller Team has made efficient use of the available space by including a bit of countertop room, which is often missing in vans of this size. Storage drawers and cabinets ensure that cookware and ingredients can be neatly stored away, keeping the kitchen clutter-free. It's a compact yet practical setup that allows for cooking without feeling restricted. One of the most interesting features of the Livingstone 2 Sport is its bathroom. Designed as a compact wet room, it includes a cassette toilet, a foldaway sink, and a shower. While small, it is functional, providing the essentials for staying fresh on long trips. The space-saving design means that the bathroom does not take away from the living area, making it a smart addition for those who want the convenience of onboard facilities without sacrificing too much space. At the rear of the campervan is the fixed transverse bed, a feature that sets this layout apart from many others in its class. Having a fixed bed means there is no need to set up or take down a sleeping space each night, making it more convenient for full-time or frequent travelers. Beneath the bed is a generous storage area, perfect for carrying extra gear, outdoor equipment, or luggage. This garage-like space is particularly useful for adventurers who need room for bicycles, camping gear, or other bulky items. Storage throughout the camper is well planned, with overhead cabinets, a small wardrobe, and various compartments ensuring there is enough room for personal belongings. Additionally, the Livingstone 2 Sport is equipped with a powerful heating system, and optional solar panels can be added for extended off-grid capabilities. With a 140 horsepower Fiat engine, it delivers a smooth and efficient driving experience, making it an excellent choice for those who want a camper that is both easy to drive and comfortable to live in. Overall, the 2024 Roller Team Livingstone 2 Sport offers one of the best floor plans in its class. With a cozy lounge, well-equipped kitchen, compact but functional bathroom, and a fixed rear bed with ample storage, it strikes a perfect balance between practicality and comfort. Whether it truly has the best layout of 2024 is up for debate, but it's undoubtedly a strong contender. What do you think? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more campervan reviews and adventures.